Welcome to the Chunk coffee table assembly instructions. When you open the carton, you will find 4 small leg pieces, the top, and 4 larger leg pieces. The hardware included in the carton is 16 4mm hex head screws, 5 or 9 Phillips head screws depending on the coffee table size, 8 dowels, 4 foot glides, and an Allen key. You will also need an impact drill and thread lock. Part 1. Firstly, attach the foot glides by screwing them into the pre-drilled holes on the bottom of the smaller legs. Next, apply thread lock to the 4 outer holes on each leg piece. Place a dowel in the middle hole at the bottom of the leg piece. Grab one of the larger leg pieces, C, and slide it over the dowel, making sure the cutout is facing outwards. Place 2 of the hex head screws inside the cutout and through the holes. Use the Allen key provided to screw them in place. Unfortunately, a drill cannot be used due to the angle. Connect another small leg piece to the other end of leg C, placing it over the dowel and tightening the screws with the Allen key. Place it in a U-shaped position and insert dowels into the middle holes on the top of the legs. Complete the shape by connecting piece B onto the dowels. Lastly, place 2 hex head screws into the holes on either end inside the cutouts. Screw them in place and set aside. Part 2. On the third leg piece, place the dowels in the middle holes and position the second C leg piece on top. Insert 2 screws and tighten them with the Allen key. Flip the frame over and link the last small leg piece, screwing in the hex head screws. Part 3. Ensure the legs on the second part are straight and place the first assembled piece on top, lining up the middle cutouts. Place the last dowels in the middle holes of the exposed leg pieces. Next, attach leg piece A by threading it under and connecting it with the dowels. Insert the last 4 screws into the holes and tighten them with the Allen key. Complete the frame by flipping it on its side and using the drill to secure a Phillips head screw into the centre of the base. Part 4. To attach the top, place it face down on the workbench and position the frame centred on top. Screw in the last Phillips head screws using the drill, placing them through the pre-drilled holes. The Chunk coffee table is available in a 500 or a 700mm size, in both light oak or a walnut stained finish. It is an extremely popular table, perfect for both hospitality and office lounge applications.